Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Spark 10 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keyboard. So you need to have access to this one. Tap on settings then and go to languages. Pick add language, choose the one that you want to apply. Tap on done then, and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary language and then use one language only. So let me remove previous language, then go back, and as you can see, new keyboard language is already applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.